Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name's Simone. Today I'm doing another Marks and Spencer's food haul for Food Haul Friday. I will link the playlist above for my other food hauls if you want to check them out. So this week's a bit different from last week, the meals that we're having. Hopefully at the end of this video there will be photos of what we've had for breakfast, lunches, dinners, maybe snacks and desserts if you want to stick around to see that. So I'm going to start off on this end. I spent about the same amount as last week, so I think it was £115 this week. A bit more than what I want to spend. I have managed to get my shop down to £80 before, and I'm aiming for that again. So here we've got this ciabattini, but this time I've got this beer soaked flavour. I don't know what it's going to be like, but I wanted to try it. So this was £1.80, so just over $2. I got these brioche buns to put in the freezer for when Ryan and the kids have burgers again. 44p, so probably like 60 cents. Should have been £2, so what a bargain. I got 2 wholemeal loaves, so they're only 65p or like $1 each. Got these chili tortillas for tapas at the weekend. They were £1 or like $1.20. The reason why I'm saying dollars is that a lot of my subscribers are American. So these were £1. Mini poppadoms for a curry, $1.20. This jam, the kids really loved it last week. Oh no, it was an organic one I got last week. It's a strawberry jam. I think that was £2. And then I got this walnut oil, that was £2. So I don't really cook with oil anymore, but when I'm making Yorkshire puddings I need some oil, and I've heard that this is really high in omega-3, so I'll be using that. Then I got 7 of these Oat Milks, but I did buy some cashew nuts from Poundland, and I'm going to try and make my own cashew nut milk. Never bought these before. I'm assuming they're going to be like, you know, them honey nut cornflakes, Kellogg ones. So I got these for tomorrow. So I got peanuts and honey on. The kids are excited about trying that because they do love the porridge, but every now and again we'll have something a bit different. And then I've got these potato waffles for lunches or breakfast. There's 10 in each pack, and you can put them in the toaster. I always used to put them in the toaster anyway, but some people didn't realise that you could put them in. So it's much quicker than like putting them in the oven, and they're gluten-free, these ones as well. I'm not gluten-free, but just in case anyone is gluten-free. And I got a cucumber, and then I got these 2 packs of cherry tomatoes, which were 90p, so like $1.10. These oat milks were $1.70 I think, so $2 each. This was £1.20, the porridge oats for breakfast, and also if I make another crumble like I did last week. And I love the super sweet corn from there as well. I got blueberries, and I got a mixed frozen berries. Straight cooked chips just to put in the freezer for a quick tea. I think I'm going to make fish and chips with these for the family because I've got fish here. This was £6.50 for 4 chunky haddock fillets. And then I got Ryan some beer battered onion rings because he liked the onion rings in the pizza meal last week, and you get more and it works out cheaper, and they cook in the oven for 18 minutes. I got tomato paste for lentil dal curries and for bolognese. Neva and Ryan really love olives, and these was reduced to 75p or like $1. I got this sweet and sour sauce because I'm going to try and make my own Chinese kind of like sweet and sour tofu or something like that tonight. Vegan cheese slices. I got these, a 10. I've never had these before. Green Cuisine, full of veg. I like this with the wraps, so I've got some wraps left in the freezer from last week, so I thought I could make them for the dinners for the kids. 3 peppers with 2 red in there, and then we've got 4 packs of 6 eggs for Ryan and the kids, and then I've got 2 packs of this beetroot. I really love beetroot. 3 a lime and a lemon, 65p, less than $1. And then we've got these spring or salad onions. I really like having tofu with that. Celery for hummus, or to put in like just to put more veg in when we're making like a curry or bolognese. Mushy peas for the fish and chips. You usually get this like from the chip shop if you're from America, wondering what these are. Yeah, so fish chips and mushy peas. And then I got this red cabbage to make a coleslaw with. And then I got another oil for Ryan, and this is a peanut oil. And I got whole wheat pasta this time. It's a bit more expensive than normal, but I thought it'd be good for some extra fibre. And then I got 2 avocados, they're ripe. I got some toilet roll because we run out. And then I got 2 British gem lettuce. And then crumpets. We've not had crumpets for ages, and these ones are 5-grain crumpets. So they've got wholemeal and sourdough as well. And they've got vitamin D added in there. Do any of you like crumpets? And then I got these fragrance extra strong pedal bins. I should have picked some of these up at the pound shop, but they were only £2 anyway, and you get 40. They liked the turkey mince last week, so they're making. We'll be making another bolognese with that pasta. And then there's my tofu. Half of it will probably be for the Chinese, and then 2 days for like lunches for scrambled tofu. This dark, well, it's not even dead dark, you know, 55% cocoa. It's really, really nice. And then I got a big bag of spinach. I'm not sure how much that was, but we like cooking with spinach for like breakfast or lunches. We've run out of coffee, so I've got this decaf Colombian to have to make lattes. Got red onions there, and then another hummus. We go through so much rice. We've got another basmati rice, and then I've got loads of bananas in there. We've got some easy peelers left from last week. Ryan and the kids have really enjoyed this rotisserie chicken, and it's £6, but it makes meals for like 2 days. Last week I made a Sunday dinner. Put a picture here, and you can check out the video if you want to from last week. So yeah, I got that. That's £6, or like I think that's probably about $8. I got this reduced sugar tomato ketchup, and then I got this soya bolognese. I've talked about that before. I really like it. Mint sauce for like when we're making a Sunday dinner, and then King Edward potatoes. I've told you before about how amazing these are if you want to make fluffy roast potatoes or fries. And then I got this liquid egg white for Ryan. It's just thinking now, when I'm making like an omelette for him, then I can just add some more of this egg whites because he's doing a lot of training. And then I got this. It's not a food item, but this isn't included in the price that I paid for my shopping, but it's just a metallic printed bed sheet. I'll try and put a picture in here of what it looks like. I really like the bedding, and I haven't bought any new bedding for a long time, so I thought with winter coming up, this would be nice. My bedroom's like a grey theme and pink, so yeah, I really like that detail there. So first I'm going to show you some breakfast that we had this week. And stop making me laugh, Ryan. Sorry. Porridge is on the left with bananas. This is pretty much similar to last week. And then I had crumpets one day this week, and the other crumpets the kids had for snacks. And then the kids and Ryan had this cereal on the right hand side with some bananas, and then other days it was just porridge. For lunches we've got omelette on the left with like a salad and toast for Ryan and the kids, and in the middle this was Neva's plate. She wanted an omelette with olives and avocado and toast, and then there's a wrap on the right with some nachos and a little bit of salad. And then this day Micah decided that he wanted to help out. When he helps cooking and preparing food, he eats a lot more, so he dished up all that for himself, and Neva's there cutting up the lettuce there as well. Just wanted to put this clip in of them, so it was like a tapas that day. And then here is examples of other meals. In the middle is mine, which is scrambled tofu. On the left is mushrooms and omelette and the potato waffles. And then Caleb and Neva wanted sardines, and I had some in the fridge, so they had sardines with some tomatoes that we grew in the garden and some toast. So there's examples of some lunches. Oh, here as well we've got some vegan bacon and the scrambled egg with spinach and homemade baked beans, potato waffles and toast for Ryan, and the kids had the same. And I had the same as them, but instead of having the scrambled egg, I had scrambled tofu. So yeah, this was really nice. So these are some of the examples of the lunches that we have, but what I'm probably going to start doing now, because the weather's starting to get cold, I'm going to start making some soups. So I plan on making a separate video of 5 simple soups to make in less than 15 minutes. So if you're interested in that, then keep a lookout. And then here is just another dish for lunch of mine, which is scrambled tofu, baked beans, homemade baked beans, and potato waffles and toast. I like to just keep things simple, and if I like something, I'll just eat it days on end. So here's dinners that we had. So on this day, I wanted to put in a clip again. Michael wanted to help out make a curry, so we had a chickpea, cauliflower, and what else, butternut squash curry, and there was the little mini poppadons with chutney there. Then Caleb's got fish and chips, and I've got a lentil dal that day. And then on the end, that's the leftover rotisserie chicken. That's Micah's dish, and it had rice in it. Then I had some burgers left in the freezer, beef burgers, so they had beef burgers. And mine is on the right, which is a vegan burger from Tesco's. It was so nice. I can't remember what the name of it was, but it was really nice. Then this is the rotisserie chicken Sunday dinner. I made Yorkshire puddings. They are bigger, but they kind of look a bit weird, but they taste nice. So I'm going to share that recipe when I practice again. And then I had veggie sausages with caramelized onions, and I tried the Yorkshire puddings there as well on my plate. Then this was kind of like, I suppose, like a Chinese. It was like tofu, spring onions with the sweet and sour sauce and rice. And then here is lentil dal again. I really love it, with rice and some salad and poppadoms, I think it was. Then for dessert, I bought these ice creams, I think about a month ago, strawberry, vanilla and chocolate. So every now and again, I've got some cones there, I will give the kids that, and I've got a vegan ice cream. I really hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.